Oh shit. Here we go again.
Hey people, Kiara here from iDigio Affiliate. Today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one business using my lead gen secrets day 35, 36, somewhere right there. Alright, let's keep it moving. Now, first thing, the reasons. I want to tell you why I like promoting the $25 business and why I think it's the greatest way of making money online in 2022. Possibly going into 2023 unless something else come out, which I just don't think it'll beat this. First is products that you need anyway, right? It's products that, like a funnel builder, so on and so forth, all kinds of stuff that come with the funnel builder, and no limitations on the funnel builder for just $25. And you get a bunch of other stuff with it too, and it ain't just the funnel builder, but even just the funnel builder, $25 is worth way more than $25 a month. No kind of limitations on it, which is great. I promise you, every other funnel builder, if it costs $25, they got some kind of limitation to it. You can only make a certain amount, something like that. Anyway, let's keep it moving. The second reason why I like promoting this product is because it's 80% recurring commissions. That means you get 80% of the commissions every single month. They stay in the system because it's a monthly system. For the products, you get 80% commissions. They pay $25, you get 20. They pay $125, you get 20. You get 100. They pay $500, you get $400. They pay $1,000. You get what I'm trying to say? You get $800. So on and so forth. Keep moving. All right. So let's refresh the page here. It looks like I didn't get a sale, but let's refresh just to make sure here. And what do we get? All right, guys, we did not get a sale yesterday, guys, which is 100% fine. Don't worry about it. Sometimes you don't get sales. It happens. You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do instead here is go to, I forgot to log in. Sorry guys, hold on, let me log in it. My lead gen secrets real quick. Log in real quick. Let's hop on in. Sometimes you gotta do it twice. My lead gen secrets is like that. Alright, so we in my lead gen secrets here. Okay, I'm gonna send the one that works for me the most. There's two emails that I use that seem to get me a sale every time. Almost every time. Not every time, but almost. It's the making money my first week one and the create unlimited income for life. These two seem to do really well, so we're gonna stick to these two here. We're gonna send out one, and that's the email there. You see how short it is, so you want to keep it that short. That short, that simple. I want to try something. I want to pick my signature. So we're gonna try putting our signature. Really? I'm just gonna pick the picture here. So my picture is on my signature picture is on MGirl. You can put it wherever you want. I just put it on MGirl. That's just where I had it at the time. I just come here, go to images. Here, there we go. Copy link address, image address, and just pop it in right here. Paste. We make it the size we need at 150, 170, and 170 is a little bit better, a little bit bigger. Yeah, that worked. So basically, I'm just using it, but I'm putting my signature on it as well, which should help it give it some clarity. Hopefully, that makes it perform better. I don't know, guys. I don't know if it will or not, but we're gonna see. All right, send the email. Oh, make sure to hit perfect timing as well, guys. perfect time it does send an email around the time people check their emails. You know what I mean? So there's a better chance of them checking it. Is basically what it is. The system guess when people check their emails and then send an email in throughout the day, whatever the best time is for them. All right, guys. Let's see. And that only took 5 minutes, guys. And all you guys need to do is just replicate what I just did there. Only takes about 2-3 minutes every morning, and you make money. All right, I'm showing you how to make money with the easiest possible way. This is so simple, guys. You just gotta get started. You gotta get started. Once you get started, you end it. You in it. You know. Once you get started, you good. And yeah, the links of the $25 business, my lead gen secrets, the links are in the description below. Okay, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, make sure you hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.